Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial that I'm going to show you guys on how to go about deleting a profile or user account profile on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So what is a user profile in Windows? This is the folder that contains all of the files and settings unique to a user, either on a single computer or on a server where it can be loaded from multiple machines. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method we will do is using Windows Advanced Settings. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong settings, at dito lang sa left side menu, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system. At dito sa right side, ay scroll down. And then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung about. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa about, and next step, dito lang sa related links. And kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung advanced system settings. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa system properties, ang next step ay kung paano ba natin i-delete yung profile or user account. So dito lang sa gitna makikita mo dito yung user profiles. And dito sa right side makikita mo dito yung settings. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa user profiles, so makikita mo dito sa profiles stored on this computer yung ating user or yung account user natin. So kung paano ba yan natin i-delete, so select. At dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung delete mga kaibigan. Alright, so i-click mo lang yan and click mo lang dito yung OK. And then click OK. And then if for some reasons Windows is unable to completely remove all traces of a profile, you can manually delete it by using a registry editor. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor. And then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong registry editor, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machines. So select and double click. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung software folder. So select and double click. And dito sa software folder, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Microsoft. So select and double click. And dito sa Microsoft folder, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Windows NT. So scroll down and locate natin dito yung Windows NT folder. So select and double click ulit. And then makikita mo dito yung current versions. Ang next step ay select and double click. And then dito sa current version folders, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung profile list. Okay? So scroll down and hanapin mo dito yung profile list. So ang gagawin natin dito is select and double click. And then ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung the last subfolder. Okay? So ito yung last subfolder ng profile list. So select mo lang yan. At dito sa right pane ay kailangan natin i-select dito yung profile image path. Okay? So i-click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang mag right click. And then i-select mo lang dito yung delete. Okay? So click mo lang yan. Alright. So after dito, and then dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to delete a user account profile in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.